Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the Merry Christmas decoration ideas. Merry Christmas, beautiful trees decoration, beautiful ideas of garland ideas. I hope you enjoy the collection. I hope you love this collection. All colors and all designs are new and classy and beautiful. Thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel on daily basis. How to decor your wall and how to decor your trees on daily basis. I deliver you the ideas. So thank you, keep watching, stay with me with the Easy Craft Videos. Easy Craft Videos is a beautiful channel related to the Merry Christmas, related to the Easter. The decoration is very important. The decoration is very stylish. All colors and all designs are new and classy and beautiful. And in this collection, you see the 50 plus ideas and means short videos but very informative video related to the Merry Christmas. Short and trending ideas of the Merry Christmas decoration. Keep watching, stay with me with the Easy Craft videos.